How to make your friend list completely private on Facebook. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once you're on your home page, now tap on the profile icon at the top right with the three-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Here again at the top right section, just in front of the search icon, tap on the settings icon. Once you're under settings and privacy, scroll down a bit and under audience and visibility section, tap on how people find and contact you. So here at the top section that says your friends, and there is an option at second list that says who can see your friend list. Tap on it. And from this menu box, you have to choose only me in order to hide your friend list from your account or in order to make the friend list private on Facebook. Once done, tap on save. And with that, you have completely hidden your friend list on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.